When rapidly routing your PCBs, it's not always possible to get neat conductors with a minimum number of kinks and corners. To help with this, the glossing and retrace commands allow you to gloss your conductors and adjust their width to meet your design rules. In Altium Designer, you have more control than ever over the process of smoothing tracks with the new gloss and retrace panel. From this panel, you can choose a weak level of glossing for critical conductors. This will remove small segments without changing the main path of the route. You can also choose a strong level of glossing to optimize an entire path. Altium Designer also includes room and polygon avoid options, as well as rounded glossing style to minimum conductor paths. Improved glossing algorithms allow you to achieve a centered conductor entry into a pad. All you have to do is increase the pad entry stability levels and gloss the conductors. The retrace tool allows you to reroute wires when your width rules have changed. In this situation, the preferred width values were previously assigned to the conductor from the design rules. Now, you can select the desired width value from your desired rules or enter it manually. The retrace tool is extremely useful when changing the parameters of differential pairs. Just specify the required conductor width and gap in the gloss and retrace panel, and run the command.